How do you style your wardrobe staples? I mean, button-down shirt, jeans, black pants. I bet you have these pieces in your wardrobe, but the real question is, are you satisfied with how you're styling them? Stay with me and I will show you how to master the art of styling basics in ways you never thought before.
The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark, with every move I make you're falling.
Hello beautiful people, my name is Elena and I'm a professional stylist with experience of more than 12 years, and today we're going to redefine what it means to dress basic, say goodbye to dull outfits and hello to chic looks with the very same pieces you already own. And I don't like long introductions, that's why outfit 1, and we're talking about classic basic blue jeans here. Let's begin with the foundation for our look, a classic white t-shirt paired with blue jeans. Okay, I have to admit, selecting the right jeans was quite a challenge for me because I was tempted to go for a more trendy wide leg jeans, but okay, I decided that for a jean experiment, it was best to stick with the timeless and basic slim leg style. This base layer is good, it's okay, but it appears quite raw, well, at least for me, as if it's like a clean white canvas. If this combination gives you similar feeling, just follow my style path to elevate the look. The key point I'm trying to share with you here is the following. To elevate your basic look, there are two simple style techniques you want to know. The first one is layering. Introduce an additional layer to add depth to your outfit. A button-down is an excellent choice for this. In my example, I have opted for a warm, soft flannel plaid shirt. Depending on your preference, this could be a cotton or linen shirt. If you are, for example, in a warmer climate, consider a lighter base layer, like a thin tank top with a linen shirt as a secondary layer. And it is important, leave it unbuttoned to achieve this kind of an effortlessly chic look. And the second technique is using accessories. Remember, the more neutral, the more basic your outfit is, the more crucial it is to remember to accessorize it. As simple as that. Actually, I'm using the third style technique here, which is style contrast. It's optional, but I want to tell you all about it. While the obvious choice might be a white sneaker, I've instead chosen these cute velvet Mary Janes. They offer a delightful and I can say like unexpected complement to the relaxed casual vibe of the outfit. But you could easily opt for basic white trainers, sneakers, and they would fit in perfectly well here. And for the final layer, I've gone with the basic trench coat. To maintain a truly classic look, I chose not a trendy, like oversized coat, but a timeless, regular cut trench coat from Massimo Dutti that has been in my wardrobe like a century or something like that. And yes, by the way, I have linked all the fashion pieces I'm using here in this video. I have linked all of them in the description box, along with all the necessary information you want to know to recreate my outfits. And for the final touch, blue sunglasses that complement the outfit's color palette and the handbag that has become my go-to accessory throughout this season. Here is the key takeaway for you guys here. Style is not only about the right cut, the trendy cut, or flashy logos. It's about how you uniquely assemble your clothing. It's more about the how than about the what. And I hope I have inspired you guys. Right after watching this video, go to your closet, grab some pieces and put a new outfit together and enjoy the result. And before we continue, I have a surprise for you, especially for those who are new to my channel. If you watch zillions of fashion content and you still have no idea where to start from, what to wear, and you open your closet in the morning and oh my gosh, you have nothing to wear, it means it's time to introduce a more professional approach. I have developed a simple yet effective style quiz. This style quiz is designed to pinpoint what you might be doing wrong while shopping or while putting your outfits together and guide you towards better style decisions. Take this quiz, it will take just a few moments, and you will receive an email with your personal wardrobe plan absolutely free, and this plan will guide you to create a capsule wardrobe that totally aligns with your current lifestyle, understand the basics, and create stylish and bold outfits. Well, the link is, as always, in the description box, and you are just one click away from making the first step in your style journey. Outfit 2, basic beige sweater. So the idea for today's video is that I take a single wardrobe staple and I play around with this one piece, and I show you how you can elevate and how you can create an absolutely elegant and chic outfit using this one wardrobe staple. And now we're talking about beige basic sweater. And one more time, I have chosen not an oversized piece, but a simple plain beige knitwear to keep it within a gene and experiment framework. The conventional choice here would be to create a monochrome beige look by adding a beige button, right? In my look, instead of pants, I'm wearing a maxi skirt. I find it like more interesting and elegant. My advice is to introduce an underlayer. So this is the key, introduce an underlayer to make your outfit stand out. Consider incorporating another classic staple such as a striped long sleeve top. And I bet you have all these items in your closet, in your wardrobe, okay? Maybe not the skirt, but you definitely have beige basic pants for this outfit, right? Accessories, I do truly believe no basic outfit is complete without accessorizing it. I chose a silk scarf from Totem, but you could easily opt for layering, for using like a few layers of necklaces if you do not like silky scarf, for example. And for shoes, I went with tan boots. They are basically the same color as my beige outfit, but in a richer, more saturated hue. This makes the whole outfit look so elegant and so chic, yet still stand out. Okay, there's an interesting note I want to share with you. So this exact outfit became viral on my Instagram page because I posted it like maybe a week ago, and it got like crazy amount of views and positive comments and engagement because you guys loved it so much. So the idea is that I'm running 100-day outfit challenge where I post every single day a short style lesson through the lenses of creating a new outfit every single day. So if you love this kind of a format, you're so welcome to join my Instagram page and join my little Instagram community. Well, essentially, I can tell you that the general feedback is like super positive, so I bet you will love it. So yeah, you know where to find the link, okay? Outfit 3, striped button-down shirt. Let's dive into the world of another classic piece in your wardrobe, which is a striped cotton button-down shirt. So I'm showing you the outfit with gray wide leg pants and chunky sneakers, and let's admit this, I do not like this outfit. First of all, it's shapeless, it's too predictable, there's nothing unique, nothing personal here, it's just random clothing on a random girl. Let's explore what changes we can make here to enhance and to elevate the look. So first off, I have replaced the chunky sneakers with more elegant pointed boots to balance the proportions. This is because pairing wide leg pants with chunky sneakers tends to create a bulky silhouette. And I'm throwing in a regular cut wool blazer from And Other Stories, not an oversized one, which is important, not an oversized one, a classic regular cut. It's all about the details. So, to draw attention to the striped sleeves, I am using hair ties to roll up the sleeves of my blazer and secure it, and it's the details that truly define the look. So I have rolled up my wool sleeves to give the striped sleeves more of attention. This is because, first of all, I want to make different pieces of my outfit like echoing each other. This is something that brings harmony to the outfit. And another thing is that this little style trick makes our silhouette look more slim, which is like, you have to agree, this is something that we all are dreaming of. Oh, and here's another style trick for you, creative style trick for you, a gold earring, pin earring used as a brooch. I have used this trick like many times. Consider any pin earring you have in your jewelry box. You can use it as a brooch just to elevate your look. So this brooch acts as a crucial detail, tying the whole look together, since I'm adding a yellow cotton scarf. So again, I'm trying to create different details of my outfit which will create this kind of echoing effect. And an important note, I'm wearing the scarf under the blazer to avoid adding extra bulk to my silhouette. And this is the final look. My funny sunglasses, just because I love quirky detailing. Sorry, I do love this kind of quirky shapes and quirky fashion details. All right, this is the outfit. It's built on basic staples, but with just the right amount of accents and thoughtful detailing, it looks stylish and chic. I hope I have inspired you guys. Outfit 4, a satin midi skirt, another classic piece in your wardrobe. And I'm showing you my outfit. And again, let's admit this, I'm not a big fan of this outfit because it has so many harsh contrast, horizontal lines that cut my body in several places, and the lack of an interesting shape. It all results in a silhouette that feels both boring and outdated. And honestly, I'm not a big fan of this color combination because it feels like there is no magic going on between these colors. So, to begin improving this, I'm opting for a more modern and trendy silhouette by swapping the current top for a looser one. And this is important. If you want to create modern outfits, modern styling, remember balance of proportions. So if you're going for a more like flowy skirt, for example, you'd better go for something loose, maybe oversized at the top. The balance of proportions, this is something you have to keep in mind. And I get rid of all high contrast horizontal lines in my outfit. Now, I'm really into these creamy, soft colors and how this color combination makes the outfit look so elegant and chic. But this is not the end. Now for accessories. I've added a silk scarf, mine is from Satin, but I have linked similar budget-friendly options in the description box because I feel like decorating the neckline. And again, it could be a necklace in your case, it's not only about silk scarves, okay? A cropped trench coat from H&M in a soft shade of khaki green complements the color combo. And the cherry on top is my salmon pink bag from Acne Studios. I love this color combination. Olive green, khaki green, and soft salmon pink. So sophisticated and chic. I just love this color combination. And yes, by the way, I have found this exact bag on sale, so I'll leave all the links in the description box. Outfit 5 and the last piece for today's video. We're talking about classic black tailored pants, something I bet you have in your wardrobe. So I have paired my pants with the striped top. It's from COS, actually it's the same long sleeve I'm wearing right now. It's from COS. This is the starting point for this outfit. It's cute, it's nothing wrong with it. Actually, I love this color, this combination, but again, there's nothing personal here. It's just the neutral outfit combination. I need a second layer, and this wool vest is the perfect addition to the look. It's very graphic and I love how it adds a new level of structure to the outfit. I bought this vest like maybe 5 years ago, but COS has a vest with almost the same cut. You know where to find the link, right? Now, for accessories, details matter as always. Earrings and the printed scarf add uniqueness and personality to the overall look. And a bright orange bag for just a pop of color. Don't ask me why I didn't choose more neutral bag, like for example white bag here, because that was your choice, guys. I conducted a poll on my Instagram account while posting this outfit, and almost all of you said that I have to go for a more bold choice, which is this orange bag from Hermes. And that's what I do on Instagram. I post a new outfit formula daily in a get ready with me format, all the while explaining the style logic behind each outfit. And sometimes I ask for your opinion and you share your thoughts in the comments. And this is like, I think this is so important for us to share the experiment, share your thoughts. So yes, you're so welcome to join me on my Instagram page. And that's it for today, guys. I hope I have inspired you to think out of the box, go to your closet, grab some basic pieces and create something new following my today's instructions. And you know the drill, follow for more, use my description box, and see you in the next one.